Steady now, watch the edge. Keep them moving right there. Whew. Get in there. Push the big one left. Keep the others right. Check the flow rate on the third drum. What's that for? It's stabilizing now. We're good to continue the cycle. Turning it down now. Levels are dropping. Watch the circulation pump. I'm pulling the next sample now. How did yours look?
Holding steady at 4.2%. Color seems normal.
What's the reading on the timer? We are exactly on schedule. Settings confirmed for the deep black run. Starting the cycle on drum 4. Keep an eye on the flow rate. What's the reading on the last sample?
Holding steady at 9.5.
We should log that immediately.
What's the pH reading on this vat?
It's stable at 12.5. Looks good for the liming process. Make sure the intake doesn't jam on the thicker hides.
I'm monitoring the feed rate on the app. It's stable.
Penetration looks good on this batch. Check the pH level on drum 3.
Humidity levels are stabilizing now.
Confirmed, the settings are holding.
Frame 7 is entering the heat zone.
Ready on the left,
Ready on the right.
pressure set, engaging the press.
This one won't make the AAA cut because of this scar. Yeah.
No, definitely a B grade.
Yeah.
Mark it there. Push it through. Pulling now, watch the edge. Clear the stack on the right. Check the levels on drum 3. Woo! Looks good, maintaining speed.
We need to adjust the flow rate on these upper vents.
Yeah, agreed. They're drying unevenly up there. Make sure the shoulder marks are clear on this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm checking the grain now before we send it over.
Mark this scar here on the shoulder. The butt area looks good, premium grade.
It seems to be penetrating the scarred areas quite well.
And the viscosity holds up under heat. We have an issue on line 3 tanning. The temperature is fluctuating.
I see it. Rerouting the flow now. Check the sensors on the west end conveyor.
Pallet 456 scanned and secured. Confirmed. Traceability updated.